Hello YouTube, and welcome back to a really exciting video at Mavtech. Now today this has happened on a complete off chance. I managed to get the day off. I thought I'd go into my local Apple store to see if they had any of the Series 4 Apple Watch in store, the 44mm one. I did want the black model. I was previously using the Series 3, the aluminium coloured silver option, and they just haven't had them in stock. And I completely blew past me. How I forgot about this, it was the release of the Nike Plus Series 4 today across England. It's the first day you can actually purchase them in store if they had them in store. So I went in to check it out, and lo and behold, I've come back with a new Series 4 Apple Watch Nike Plus edition. Not only that, I was told I was the first person in my local store in Kingston to pick up the new Series 4 Apple Watch Nike edition. Excited? I'm well excited. So we're going to walk around the box, open it up, get it all out from inside and start this thing up. But I already know from seeing previous videos and other people unbox these that this is going to be a unique and a different unboxing experience which you've not had before if you've owned any of the other Series 0, 1, 2 or 3. They've redesigned the packaging, they've redesigned the watch. It's basically a new product from Apple. Excited? Let's do this. So in this video we're not focusing on me at all. It's all about the new Apple Watch Nike Plus Edition Series 4 44mm. So you're not going to see me, you're just going to see my hands and this amazing product. You ready? Quick walk around the box. Again, I can feel under here this is raised again. They're doing this on a lot of their products now. Like I just picked up the iPhone XS Max and it's raised. Your quick walk around, information on the bottom, nothing on the sides, it's only your main writing and your bit on the top. So we're going to pull this little tab here and that's going to open the first layer of this boxing, and that's pretty similar to what the packages were before. Get rid of that. Now you're faced with these two little tabs which you now lift one at a time. There's one and there's two. Like I said, a new style of packaging to unbox these. So you literally flip this open. Look at that. What an impressive unboxing designed by Apple. So you've got this fantastic looking packaging that's going to highlight all the other Series Nike editions. The two different styles you can get with a few different bands on there. Then you're faced with two boxes. You've got your Apple Watch box and your strap is now separate. So we'll lay that to one side there, and there's the watch. But look at that, what a fantastic bit of packaging, absolutely amazing. But I'll just lay that to one side. You're left with your watch and your strap. So you'll have to bear with me because I've never done an unboxing like this, but here we go. Take that off and you've got your Apple Nike Edition watch on there, and that's raised on the box as well. Very, very nice packaging as always from Apple. And then you're greeted with this, designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. It's a bit different. There we go. You can see your watches here in this beautiful little case. So we'll take that out. And it says on the back here, if you can see, it does say you 44mm in this little sleeve or sock that it comes in. And then you're greeted with your brand new watch, completely redesigned, new sensors on the back, new screen, edge-to-edge display. It's got new UI. It's got a digital crown now with haptic feedback. The S4 chip inside is 2 times faster than what the Series 3s were. They've moved the speaker position, so that's now louder. It's got an electrical heart sensor and fall detection. This is just completely redesigned by Apple. So I'll leave that there for a second and see what else is in the box. So we open this up, that's your small bits of information. You don't get Apple stickers on here, although it would be really nice to see smaller Apple stickers come with the box, but that's not a biggie. Charging brick, but this is nice now, it comes as a folding charging brick. I haven't actually had one of these before, so the prongs inside actually fold out now, so easier for transport. But I won't be using this. And your adapting cable which goes to this, to the bottom of the watch, and that sits on there. You can see it's magnet pulls it on so you know it's charging properly. Again, I've got 2-3 of these that I'm using already, so I tend to leave them in the box because I like to keep my packaging even looking fresh. So that's that, with the watch out, and then you're greeted with the Nike sports band that I chose for it to come with. And again, it's the 44mm that I've gone for. Small bit of information there on the back, and it just gives you the product on the front of the box. So let's open this here, pull this out, and again you're greeted with Apple Watch, Nike Plus. And again, we've seen these before, how they're open, but they do tell you how to connect them, how to loop them up when they're on your arm, how to slide them in and out. So all the information you need pretty much to use is, if you've never used them before, is inside the packaging, which is really nice. So again, you just pull this, and this is like the reflective material for runners. It's meant to be. I'm not a runner, but I do like these loop bands. They're really nice, they're really comfortable, they seem to grip nicer in my eyes. But there we go, and you can just slide that simply in there. Literally, it is that simple. Just literally slide them into place, and there we go. Let me just quickly get this up and running. There we go, it's turning on. My god, I'm excited. So give me a few minutes, let me get this paired with my phone, and I will be back. So there you have it. What an amazing new unboxing experience designed by Apple. Complete redesign of the boxing, complete redesign of the watch, and there we go. This is started up now, and it just looks incredible. It looks absolutely fantastic. The size of the screen compared to what it was before is just amazing. Like, complete edge-to-edge redesign. Like I said, it doesn't really feel any bigger. It is thinner than the Series 3 and the Series 2. That's got a lot to do with the new sensors on the back. But no, it's a fantastic product, and I'm really excited to be putting this through its paces and be bringing you a few reviews, obviously in a week's time, how I'm getting on with it, what I do and don't like about it. I don't think there's been much I don't like about it, but yeah, what a fantastic product, the Series 4 from Apple. Finally got my hands on one, and I'm really happy and really excited. Another little good tip from when using these, you haven't got to go out and buy all new bands. So all your old bands that you've got lying around from previous generations will all work with these. So you haven't got to go out and completely re-accessorize your watch. You can, the one that comes with it, obviously your old ones will all fit it. That's a real thumbs up, Apple. Well done, thank you. So they're making us go out spending a fortune all new bands for the Series 4. But no, I mean the watch faces on these is just so noticeably different. It's complete edge to edge now. It's a lot more clear, a lot more vibrant to look at. And again, this started up, it booted up so quickly. I literally linked it to my iPhone XS Max, and it was up probably a minute and a half, 2 minutes, and that's down to the S4 chip that's inside now. It's so much more power, so much faster, and yeah, just starting the watch up. Like I said, I've literally had this like 5 minutes now. Open it, as you've seen the unboxing, linked it to the phone, and it's snappy. It's really snappy, really quick. But that's something I'm noticing straight away. We'll see how the battery life is. They haven't improved the battery life. There's been no mention of that there. They're claiming the same type of usage you're going to get out of this that you did the Series 3. That was a fantastic battery option on the Series 3. That lasted me all day, and I've come home easily with like 56%. So you pretty much get in 2 days use out of it. Now once again, this isn't the cellular option. I didn't go for the cellular option. One reason, I'm never really without my phone. I don't like going anywhere without my phone. And two, here in England, there's only 2 carriers still now that will support the Apple Watch cellular editions, which is EE and Vodafone. So if you're not on them networks, there's not really much point getting one. And again, you've got to think, are you going to be leaving your phone out and going just with this? Yes, it has been improved speaker-wise for hearing out of, obviously, the loudness of it, and where they've moved the actual speaker out and speaker in, it's meant to be a bit clearer. For walkie-talkie mode, there's an app on this that looks pretty good, which I want to try out, and it's got a few safety features on this now. Your fall detection, again, it's something that I suppose it's good to have. I'm not a clumsy person, but people do have falls. I mean, slightly older people would benefit from something like that, I suppose. If you're having a fall and it notifies your emergency contact if you've had a fall, and also it's got your ECG heart rate monitor now, and this is the first of its type of any portable device, and just wow, packed with features, packed with new stuff, but that's going to be in another video. So here it is, the Series 4 Night Plus edition in black. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing, because I've got obviously reviews coming on this, reviews coming on the new iPhone, and still lots more tech coming out which I'm hoping to pick up shortly. So if you enjoyed the video and watched till the end, or even if you didn't watch to the end, please give it a thumbs up, and like I said, please subscribe. And if you're not, please go and follow me over on Instagram at Mavtech on Instagram. I know a load of you already are. The support over there, I'm really feeling it's fantastic. Thank you very much. We're trying to get the same on the channel here, so we can grow the channel more and get bigger and bigger and bring you more tech and more reviews live from the floor next to the sofa. I'm Mark, this is Mavtech. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.